The Strawberry Macadamia Salad is the perfect starter to serve for family and friends. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a food processor, add the Michigan strawberries, balsamic vinegar, and vegetable oil. Puree for 30 to 40 seconds until the dressing is well combined. Season with salt and ground black pepper to taste, then add 1 or 2 teaspoons of sugar if the berries are not sweet. Set aside. On a plate, arrange the romaine lettuce, arugula, Belgian endive, Michigan strawberries, macadamia nuts, and goat cheese. Serve with a strawberry dressing and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.